Hey there, Ray from Bridge Marina. These little quick release fittings for Bimini tops tend to be a big problem for a lot of folks to get them released because when they have a lot of pressure on them, it's really hard to get this clip to pull back or hard to release this from a female fitting. I suggest folks put their arm up on the Bimini top so they can kind of manipulate the top to get the pressure off this. Now, with their other hand, disconnect it so it pops out and then put it away. And when you put it back in, kind of the same thing, get it located where it's supposed to be, then manipulate the Bimini top with your other arm so you snap it in place. Works a lot easier this way to get it in and out. Thanks for watching.